So you might be trying to figure out how you can factory reset your Apple Watch. So this means basically removing and deleting everything you can from this particular watch. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though and understanding is that you can reset your watch from your particular watch itself, but you may want to still do it from your iPhone. That way you can completely remove it from your device list. So I'll show you how to do that. You want to go ahead and start by clicking on the little app, the little watch scrolling wheel on the right side, the digital crown. And you want to go and swipe down until you get into your settings application. So hop inside of settings just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to swipe down until you see general. So click on general right here, and then you want to swipe down until you see reset. So tap on reset, and then you want to click on erase all content and settings. Now when you do that, what you want to do is you want to swipe down until you see erase all, which is right here. So we're going to tap on erase all, which is right there. And it's going to basically delete and remove everything from this particular watch. Now, when you do that, it's going to go through the reset process, and you're basically good to go from your watch, right? But what I would also recommend doing is making your way into your iPhone that you just connected this thing to. So swipe up, make your way over into your iPhone, and then you might just want to go ahead and make your way over into your particular Find My list. So you can find your Find My app. It's basically somewhere. If you can't find it, just search it up. So you can just search up Find My like this, go and tap on it. And what you're going to want to do is you just want to find this particular Apple Watch. So you can find your devices just like this, just like I'm doing right here. And you want to find that particular Apple Watch. Now you probably don't have as many devices as I do, but find the Apple Watch that was just connected here. If you see it here, you want to go and just remove it. So tap on that particular device like this. And all you're going to want to do is if you find a little option down here, click on remove this device. And that's going to remove that Apple Watch from your device list. So then it's going to be removed from your Find My list. You can return it. You can do whatever you need to. I've ran into this problem so many times. So that's really all you're going to have to do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button. That would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.